So that's a short video about the Exhaustgast temperature logger. So I made a GUI. It's really simple. Has a full screen function for night mode, day mode. What the fuck? Okay. Then open log file location. We have here it's creating a log file. Yeah, that's really simple. Cylinder 1, temperature, cylinder 2, temperature, and so on, and the timestamp. The next thing is I have added a port selection, so you can select your ports. You can, if you plug in a new device, refresh your port list. You have a alert temp function. You can okay, start here, so the light here turns green and is logging with comport 1. Oh, okay, that's not working, of course. Stop log, comport 5, start log. Maybe it's working, maybe not. No, it's not working because it's crashed with the other port. Okay, I have to check that, maybe catch that somehow. Comport 5, start log, night mode. That's cool. Okay, now you can see the temperature is changing. This rectangle here, the rectangle sizes, and you can see on the right the temperatures, and that's the average temp based on all the 6 temperatures. Then open log file location. Go. That's it for now. And the temperature, the alert temp, you can change that in runtime. We have maximum 27, so let's try 27. Okay, that's working. Try 28. It shouldn't make an alert. Okay, that's working. That's really silent now. You can go lower with temp. That's ugly, noisy. Ooh. Okay, stop log. Then open file location. Then we have all log temperatures here in this file. I think that's okay. That's enough for a temperature logger. Real time and saved data, it's enough. So I hope you enjoyed the overview of the code. Is really bad, so I have to publish this on GitHub somewhere. Yeah, maybe next time. Bye bye.